Welcome to my channel Learn with ZK. Here you can get a lot of knowledge stuff. You can prepare for all commission tests by improving your journal knowledge. Also prepare for your ISSB, NTS, HEAD and GAT test by solving verbal and non-verbal problems, and also learn some mathematical skills. Improve your computer skills. Understand how different apps of Microsoft Office work. Learn physiology and pathology of your body. Get knowledge about medicine and pharmacy related subjects. Understand about scientific research and its methods. Also understand working of different softwares like Peachtree, SPSS, EndNote, Photoscape, InPage, and more. So like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video.